before the video begins, I ordered my NES early because I felt like it. Anyway, enjoy the video.
Hey, what's up, yo? My name is Morcho HD. So, have you ever wanted to use your favorite controller on your phone? Somehow? Well, I found a way, and it's pretty easy if you ask me. Also, this isn't really my favorite controller. I moved on from Switch Joy-Cons to the Pro Controller, and I did get the Pro Controller a few days back. But anyway, enough of that. I'm just gonna get to the point. Okay, so if you want to use your favorite controller on your phone, first off, you're gonna need to sync it up to your phone, I guess. Or if it's a wired controller, you have to plug it directly into your phone. So, for instance, I'm using my Switch Joy-Cons. And if I'm going to do that, I'm going to need a Magic NS, which, by the way, does work. Of course, you can always sync them to your phone via Bluetooth, but I don't really do that. Unless I want them. Well, unless I want to use them as individual controllers. Anyway, just gonna plug it into the phone, and then, or actually, I'm not gonna do that just yet. So, here's some supplies you may need. First off, you're gonna need a phone tripod thingy. I actually took this off of a selfie stick that I had. Something, I don't know. Next up, you're going to need a piece of cardboard. Now, I already cut it out, just to be sure. You may need to cut it in a specific shape, or something like that, I don't know. But, as long as it fits in something like this, you should be fine. Now, quick reminder, this is the phone holder that you may need to use. I don't know where you can find them, but if you can find them on Amazon or eBay, that could work. Okay. Finally, you're gonna need some tape. Now, for tape, I use green tape, or if I wanted to, I could use blue tape. But for my first try, I used green tape. But anyway. So first off, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, sorry about that, but anyway. First off, you're going to need a piece of cardboard, which, I already cut this. Well, I already cut a piece of my own, so you may need to measure and design what you want before you start. But anyway, so first off, we're going to start by putting the cardboard in the phone case. Or actually, the phone holder is what I should be saying. So, if I was going to, then I could fold these two flaps and put them in the phone holder like this. Something like this, maybe. Oh, and if you want it, you can put your own logo on. Alright, next up you're going to need some green tape, or blue tape if that's what you'd rather use. And just put it all around on the thing. Or actually, put it around the cardboard with the selfie stick phone holder. Now you may need to put on multiple pieces or layers. I don't know. But anyway, I'm just gonna take some more off. And then it should look something like this. I don't know. It doesn't have to be exactly like this if you don't want it to, but I just kept it like that anyway. So, next up you're going to need to put your controller inside your cardboard. Now this doesn't have to be permanently. This can be temporary if you wanted to, but just for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do what I can to make it all work. And just an additional supply you will need, or actually it's optional, but you're gonna need rubber bands. I'm gonna get some real quick. Okay, so now you're gonna need to put the first rubber band. Well, actually, before I start, you're gonna need one small rubber band and two. Actually, you're gonna need one thin rubber band and two thick rubber bands. If you want, I don't know. But anyway. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh. Okay, so I think something like that should work. Let me put up a streamer real quick. Okay, sorry about that. I had to, well, the green tape kind of ripped off a little, so I had to put a single piece on. And also, actually it doesn't do with the phone. My small rubber band was not holding well, so I had to use a hairband, which I don't know why, but oh well. Anyway, so now to just put in the phone. Oops, didn't mean that. Okay, so anyway, I have my phone set up. Actually, it's my grandma's. Anyway, so now we can, actually, well, I did not mean to do that. Actually, we can now open an emulator. Maybe play a game. Oh, my left Joy-Con is still syncing. There we go. Actually, let's rotate this. There we go. Now to just find a game. Okay, I decided to go for Excite Bike because, well, I thought that was a pretty good game. And anyway, just a note: the phone may slide backwards a little. I don't know why. So you may need to tape the cardboard directly to your controller. So there you go. You finally got your phone ready for gaming, and you have a controller to use it with too. Now you're probably wondering why I made this video. Well, I did this just now, and I thought maybe I'd try it anyway. This could work with most controllers, I do not know, but you can But if you're a DIY artist out there, then maybe you can make something like this for other controllers. So yeah, I think that's enough for now. I'm just gonna end the video here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and that's all you have to do. So, laters!